bonda soup. First we will make bonda. For this is 1 cup and half cup of urad dal equal to 120 grams. We will wash this and soak it for 4 hours. After 5 hours, our urad dal have soaked well. We will wash this and keep aside to grind. Meanwhile, so for the bonda, we will prepare the soup. This is moong dal. I have taken the same measure of urad dal. Actually, measure is not important here. Another half cup. We will wash this twice. Now after washing this for 2 times, to this I will be directly adding 1 roughly chopped onion. This is some 1 inch of ginger I have roughly chopped, and some garlic, some 8 to 10. We'll add all these to this. To this I am adding 3 roughly chopped tomatoes. These are 2 green chilies. I have cut them into these pieces, long pieces. We will add to this. Now to this we will add water. I am taking 3 measures water to this. So 1:2 is the ratio. 1.5 dal I have taken and 3 cups of water. Now we will keep this medium flame for 4 whistles. This urad dal I have again washed once again and drained all the water. Now we will put it in the mixie jar without water. I'm grinding this in a mixie jar. We have a stone grinder, it will be very nice. After this I'm adding some chopped ginger, few kadhi patta, 2 big green chilies, onion, some jeera, salt to taste. I have taken 1.5 teaspoon, little bit of sugar, this is optional, a few leaves of coriander. We will make a coarse paste without adding water. If you feel it difficult, you mix it once again and add just a little water. Make the bonda batter. I have grinded this without adding any water. If you add the water, then your vadas will not form the right shape. So go on turning like this with the spatula 2 to 3 times. If you add the again water, run the mixer. Now this is the consistency. This is enough. Now I will transfer it to the bowl. Now after 4 whistles, our cooker is ready. You can see it has cooked well. Now we will mash this properly. So do it when it is hot only, so that you can mash it easily. Now after mashing this should be the way our dal should be. Now I have put on the gas. I am adding salt to taste. I am adding 1.5 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of rasam powder. You can add sambar powder also. Half teaspoon of sugar. Some freshly grounded pepper powder. So this is 1.5 teaspoon. Mix well. This is a very easy recipe and also a very tasty one. This is almost ready now. We will add enough water to this. This dal should be in a soup consistency. So I have added 2 big bowls of water to this. Now we will give tadka to this. In a tadka pan, I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil. Now when the oil is hot, these are some mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon, jeera, half teaspoon, pinch of hing, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, kadhi patta. We will put off the gas now here. adding tadka to this dal. Now our dal soup has started boiling. To this I am adding some coriander leaves. The coriander leaves I have finely chopped. To this I am adding some finely grated coconut. We will mix this. To this I will add some more water so that all the masalas get mixed well. This is the exact consistency what we need, so that the bondas what we fry will get soaked well in this. Now this is done. We will put off the gas and keep aside. The bonda batter which we had grinded. So this I am adding some more coriander leaves, and these are some coconut pieces. Just I have cut them. We'll add it to this. We'll mix this well. We had grinded our bonda batter, so just don't throw away this water. We will use this. Take it to a bowl. Now we will fry our bondas. For that I have taken this vessel. In this I am adding oil, because our bondas have to be deep fried. Now we will start making our bondas. Water which I had kept aside, I'll dip it. I'll dip my hand in this. Take a small portion. If you wish, you can add pepper to this batter, or you can make it like this. And also if you feel you want little fluffy bondas, you can add little bit soda to this. Now our oil is hot. Again one more I will take. Water, and then taking the batter, you can easily put it like this. Again dip it. So for each bonda, dip it and then take, so that the batter won't stick to your hand. This is on medium flame. Once these bubbles become less, you can turn this. We will fry this until golden brown. I have not added rice to this batter. You can add rice while soaking the urad dal, but as we don't need any crispy bondas, I have not added. Now these are done. We will take this out. You can make bigger bondas also. To a serving jar, I have added the bondas. Now we will put our soup on this. This is the way it is served. Karnataka special bonda soup. Try this. I'll just cut and show you. It tastes so yummy. You just try this and let me know in the comments.